This is an AudioQuest gold carbon fibre brush. This is a no-name carbon fibre brush. This is better. And not just because AudioQuest make it. In fact, they used to make a carbon fibre brush just like that one for about 35 years, until they worked out a way to make it better. And this is it. And it has a hidden superpower that may not be immediately obvious. You see, a normal carbon fibre brush is great at cleaning the record, but it's not so good at getting the static off the record. So AudioQuest came up with this great idea of having gold strips on the handle, which are connected to the bristles, which then get connected to your body to dissipate the static electricity. Ingenious, huh? Holding the brush's gold contacts, gently place the carbon fibres across the grooves. The fibres must touch the grooves but should not bend. It is the ends of the fibres which do the cleaning. Let the record turn a few times in order for the carbon fibres to gather both the visible dust and the micro dust that is too small to see, and then lift off, trying not to lose the dust as you lift the brush off the record. The brush is better at gathering dust than at holding dust, so you might have to repeat this a few times to get all the dust off your record. Remember, do not touch the carbon fibres, as your finger's natural oil will compromise the cleaning process. The AudioQuest Gold Carbon Fibre Brush. You know you want one. Buy it online, or if you want to buy the bling in person, come on down to our amazing showrooms in Ringwood, Eastern Melbourne. The gold AudioQuest carbon fibre brush. Silver and bronze coming soon, apparently. Not quite as good. Just joking. At least I think so. Who knows? Maybe they've got them in the works. We'll be back